Hi, I'm Doug from TASKA Prosthetics. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use the TASKA CX Lock Mode. This feature provides an added layer of control, ensuring the hand stays in position and holds items securely. If you've noticed that your patient's TASKA CX hand opens unintentionally, perhaps in specific positions, movements, or when lifting heavy objects, this may be due to an inadvertent signal activation. To mitigate unintended movements, start by adjusting the signal gain and threshold levels. If this has already been optimized, the lock mode can be used to pause all movements and inputs, preventing the hand from responding to accidental signals. Users might turn their hand off to stop unintended movements, but when turned back on, the hand will open and this causes objects to fall. With the TASKA CX Lock Mode, the hand remains paused in its current position, allowing for a precise control and preventing these unwanted drops when reactivating. Once the user has grasped an object, they can activate the lock mode with a short press of the lock button on the hand's button panel. When activated, a solid white light above the lock button will illuminate and, if audio alerts are enabled, a beep will be heard. If the lock light is not in direct vision, it may help to instruct your patient to test if the lock mode has been activated by trying to gently close the hand. If it is locked, the hand should remain still. Once the user is ready to release the object, they can unlock the hand with a short press of the lock button. The hand will beep and the light will go out. The user can then gently release the object when they are ready. If you would like to customize the way the lock mode works, you can do so in the MyTasker app. For more videos just like this, visit our YouTube channel, or to learn more about our products, visit our website at taskaprosthetics.com.